Hey there and welcome. In this video we'll see how you can export and then import a single custom post in Gutenberg editor with WP Ultimate CSV Importer directly from its Edit or Create view. This is the custom post I have created with ACF named books, and it has some records. Let's open a custom post in Edit view. In the Edit view, at the top right menu bar, you'll find the Import/Export menu. Click on it, and you'll see two tabs, Import and Export. Switch to the Export tab and click the Export CSV button. You'll be asked to download the CSV file with a name to your device. This is how the exported file looks like. All the custom post values have been exported. You can use this same file to import in your other WordPress site. Please make sure when importing the field headers are unchanged, as the plugin processes the import based on these headers. Now, let's see how to import the page. Go back to the WordPress dashboard and click on the Import/Export menu. You can import custom post from the Edit page view or from Add New Post view. Click the Choose File button and upload the exported CSV file. The file will be uploaded. Once you see the success message, click the Upload Import button. The custom post will be imported in a few seconds. You'll see a confirmation message after import. Click the Click Here button to view the newly imported page. All the CSV field values have been successfully imported. That's it. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.